when you're editing, you're really leveraging the fifth epiphany, editing CS183E for edit. The fifth epiphany is all of the awesome sauce that you see on one page right there. It's what Altair Basic is the Microsoft of. It's Google on the very popular to a lot of people. It's got the pet food up on top. Now, the cigar portion, the phallic object, the penis-shaped object, is pointing right into the chasm. And if you look at CTC, hashtag CTCFTR, that is 1991 book Jeffrey Moore, Crossing the Chasm. Plot spoiler, he's got a sequence of newer books, newer than 1991, which all apply, which is Inside the Tornado, and a couple other books which were okay, which are basically reasons to lecture more, but don't really solve anything. Second to last book, Escape Velocity, which you're fighting gravity. But the book that he hasn't written yet, which is why it's the fifth epiphany, which I've DJ'd in the Paul Graham essay, and the Four Epiphanies, which is Stephen Blank's book, Professor Stephen Blank, which is 4 Steps to the Epiphany, is the fifth epiphany, which is Cross the Chasm from the right. So the penis object looking thing inserts into the vagina of the chasm. And if you're offended by some of these not safe for work items, they actually are safe for work because the male often goes into the female. And Cross the Chasm from the right is the fifth epiphany. So all the things that you're editing for, all the things to help you cheat death, all the things that help you resuscitate a cadaver and edit that dead startup is encapsulated on this one simple page, which is Cross the Chasm from the right. And this fifth epiphany was written about in a Boston area college. If you just type in Larry Chang, fifth epiphany, fifth, like fourth, fifth, sixth, 4, 5, 6, fifth epiphany, you'll see the Boston area publication that ran with the fifth epiphany. Encapsulating in trying to do and be a lot to a small group of people helps you cross the chasm.